All right, welcome back everyone. Happy 4th of July. So in this video guys, I will show you our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of July 5th to the 9th. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I'm gonna break down each pair. So stay with me to the end so you can see a surprise. And remember guys, tomorrow it is 4th of July. So but here in America we will be celebrating Monday as a holiday, which is the Independence Day. It's a federal holiday here in the United States, which is the Declaration of Independence of the United States, which was created on July 4, 1776. So make sure guys, do not trade tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday will be a holiday. So most likely there will be nothing on the market. But if you guys want me to go live, kind of like show you, quick tips and so on, please let me know in the comment below and I will be more than happy to do that. So let me go ahead and show you what our Forex pre-week analysis is doing guys. So remember, as everybody know, this is Teamwitherving here. If you want the best tips, tricks, analysis and strategy here in our Forex market, make sure you hit that and subscribe so you will never ever miss any video from us, and you're always gonna be notified on time when we make a video, because tomorrow Sunday we are gonna be doing this type of video. Let me show you the thumbnail. So tomorrow we are gonna be doing our Forex weekly analysis. Make sure that you subscribe so you will not miss tomorrow video. So happy 4th of July to everyone anyway. So today we are gonna go ahead and start with our CAD CHF guys. CAD CHF at this present time, the market is still bullish. So yesterday the market did close as a bullish position, so it's still going up. So this is my idea for this coming week guys. So but I'm very excited guys. The month of June, all my analysis were 100% on point. Super excited, giving you a very accurate information. I don't know what July is gonna be, to be honest. I really don't know. So we hope for a good month as well. Let's go guys. So always pay attention guys here in our multiple time frame. Always pay attention what our dashboard is letting you know. That's very important. So right now, why is this trade in a bullish position? Because in here, if you pay attention, our multiple time frame is letting us know that we are buying this market. So then what happened with our snapper entry here? Snapper entry is also confirming that we are also buying this market. And pay attention to the stairs. Stairs are coming very amazingly, going only in one direction, and that direction it is buy, right? So this is what I think the market will do for this week guys. The market is still gonna go bullish all the way, retesting your 0 Fibonacci line, which gonna be retesting your first multiple time frame error right in this location here. Then it will be your second multiple time frame right at this location. So we have good evidence the market, it will go to that location in here. Then what are you gonna be looking in this particular area here guys? So in this area we are gonna be expecting to see our multiple time frame error right at this location here, which the market is gonna retrace back, giving us a pullback. So pullback is valid. Either the pullback can come to our 23 or either can come to our 38 Fibonacci line. Either way is fine. And then from there we are expecting to see what do you think are you expecting to see? You're expecting to see a green arrow, exactly what you're seeing here. Then it's gonna be right at this location here, and then finally we're gonna go in continuation of the trend. Even if you put a trend line here guys, pay close attention to this one. If you put a trend line here, look at this one. Boom, perfect hit. Look, 1, 2, and boom. Market will come to that location. So most likely it's gonna come to our 38 Fibonacci line, but I'm gonna leave it to our 23 guys, because I really want to be more accurate than to regret it. Because we are gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna review this pair all over again, and I want you to say, you know what, Irvin, you were right, you were wrong. But here on our channel guys, I always tell everyone, please do not pay for signal guys. Learn how to trade. Watch the video that is, the title is Stop Being Lazy and Learn How to Trade. That video is very neat. Here on our channel, we love to teach you data that does not exist. We want to know what Monday's gonna do. Monday is a holiday anyway, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's what we like to do here on our channel. So make sure, if you like what you are seeing so far, make sure you hit that bell notification below so you will never, ever miss any video from us. Because anyway, it is free. It's not gonna cost you anything. All you have to do is support our channel, because I mean, it takes time to work, you know, creating this. So all we ask in favor is to hit the bell notification below so you will never ever miss any content. Guys, if you are watching us here, if you are new to our channel and you are watching us for the first time, make sure, I need to let you know, and all these traders as well, that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. So the month of June, guys, I think I gave you over what, 4,000 pips for free. Hell yeah, nobody does that, to be honest. Nobody in this business. So make sure you don't invest any money you can afford to lose. Or if you don't know how to trade, please let me know in the comment below. And if you want me to teach you, then I will be more than happy to do one-on-one with you and show you how we collect this money. All right, so let's move on to the next one. The next pair that I have for everyone here is GBP USD. Pay attention what GBP USD. I told everyone last week when we came back on Wednesday, guys, GBP USD is gonna do a pullback, and so far it's doing. Another pair that I told you guys the market was gonna do a pullback was gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it on tomorrow analysis. Tomorrow is Sunday. So here, so this is what I'm saying. The market is selling here, guys. So let me kind of give you a quick overview. So in here, guys, our multiple time frame is letting us know that we are selling, right? Then pay close attention. Our Y multiple time frame is also letting us know that we are selling. What is our sniper entry letting us know here? With that we are also selling. Look at the stairs, guys. The stairs do not lie. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Now look at what the market hit. Boom, all the way down. So far, guys, this analysis that I gave you, it was 100% on point. Look, we took a trade in here. So it has 333 pips, guys. Below pips. Look at this one. So what is my understanding for this week, guys, for the week of July 5th to the 9th? So remember, Sunday is a holiday anyway, right? We're celebrating say 4th of July, but since it's 4th of July is tomorrow, Sunday, so we're gonna be celebrating on Sunday. So a lot of us are gonna be on the water, you know, enjoying our family, doing a barbecue. We're not even gonna be worrying about it, about the market. So don't even worry about it, to be honest. Then this is my understanding, guys, for this week. The market is giving us a pullback right at this area here. The pullback is ready, in my opinion, is 100% ready. So market will continue all the way, guys, retesting your mid 23 to your 38 Fibonacci line. And then from there, market is gonna give us a retracement, which is gonna create a red arrow right at this location here. But why do you think, guys? Why do you think it's gonna be a red arrow? Same thing as what you are seeing here, guys. Same thing. Look at this one. Same thing. Why? The reason that we are gonna have that, guys, is because we are gonna be doing that small retracement, making, guys, this buy position here stronger, and then the momentum is gonna be even more accurate, and then market will do the what? Boom! Market will do as a bullish position, because right now the market is very it's just doing a pullback. But overall, I can tell you this week, guys, market it is bullish on this one. So if you do disagree with me, please let me know. But anyway, since I have you here already, guys, let me know, guys, if our Forex pre-week analysis makes sense. If it does, make sure that you comment below TWE or either put any of your questions. It doesn't matter. So let me know, so I will be more than happy to help you out. And also, guys, I'm gonna pin tomorrow Sunday into our pre-week description, and today I'm gonna and Sunday I'm gonna pin today's video, so you can have both video and you can watch them anytime. And I know that is gonna help you tremendously, to be honest, so you can go back and see. All right guys, so let me know in the comment below if you are finding everything valuable. So like that, I will be more than happy. And for all these newbies, guys, someone asked me, Irvin, are you gonna do any sale on the multiple time frame for the 4th of July? And I think it's a good idea to do that, guys. So if you want to become a member, guys, let me know in the comment below, or either send me a private telegram. And my telegram is on the description of this video, and I will be giving you guys 30% off if you are gonna be signing up with us. So let me know so I can give you the 30% off, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you will ever miss any content from us. All right, so let's move on to our next pair, guys. On this guy, I'm trading this as a sell currently, guys, on my account. So this is what I'm saying here, guys. The market on USD Canadian, pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. Your dashboard, it is on fire. I'm telling you, guys, this is on fire. It is what? Teamwitherving is on fire. All right, guys, so this pair here, it is on fire. So this is what I'm saying on this one, guys. So right now, so let me explain you why the market is giving us a gorgeous, guys, a gorgeous pullback. But first of all, let me break down, because remember what I said earlier, guys. In this video, I will do our Forex pre-week analysis, and I will be breaking down step by step how I do it. So this is how I do it, right? So here, our multiple time frame is right at this location. Our sniper entry is right here, right? Our multiple time frame white arrow is also here. Look at the stairs. So the market is only in one direction, and that direction, it is bullish, right? Look at that bullish position. Look at this one. Boom. Market right now is bullish. But we did got evidence, guys. The market was giving us a pullback. So we got the first evidence here letting us know, Irvin, we are doing a pullback, and look at that pullback. Boom. Then we got a second confirmation, guys, saying, Irvin, yes, we're still in a bearish position. Remember, sell equal pullback, right? So we're still in a pullback in this guy here, and pay close attention how the market is dropping currently. Just pay attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is accurate, guys. The dashboard is giving you the answer. So right now the market is dropping. So look, this is what I think the market will do this week, guys. Remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader. Make sure you do not trade any money you can afford to lose. If you don't know how to trade, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to teach you how to trade. So you got to invest in yourself, right? This is the best unique business in your lifetime. So this is what I think the market will do, guys. Market will come back and retest your 23 to your 50 Fibonacci line in here, retesting this low here, or either it's gonna come to our multiple time frame green arrow in here. Then the market will give us a continuation of the buy position. So it's gonna give us here a green arrow right at this location here. It's gonna go all the way up to our 23. But what I think that July, guys, July is gonna give us a what? What do you think July is gonna give us, guys? Oops. Yeah, let me throw that in there. Let me put a box here. What do you think July is gonna give us here, guys? This is very important, to be honest. I think, guys, July is gonna give us here, guys, our TWE, a sniper entry, to be honest. I think that's what July is gonna give us, a sniper entry here. Then officially we are gonna be selling this market. So that's my understanding so far. So I don't know if you guys have any question. Please let me know in the comment below, guys, if you are finding so far good information on this video. Look, it takes time to do what I do, guys. So all I'm asking in favor is to make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment below, so I will know exactly what you need. All right, because so go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop the comment below if everything looks good so far. All right, so what do you guys think, guys? You think this the USD Canadian is gonna do the reversal stronger? Because right now we're still in an uptrend, guys. Remember the master trend here, guys, it is bullish. All right, so USD Canadian, the master trend, it is bullish. So right now the market is giving us a pullback. So this pullback is super strong. This is what we do here in our channel, guys. Look at when the market is sitting here. What I'm giving you here is all this information that does not exist. This is how we make money here. So I'm very excited. Everything's gonna work out so well. You watch. The month of June was on fire. Guys, tomorrow I will be doing for you guys, so make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be doing our Forex weekly analysis for the week of July 5th to the 9th. We're still celebrating our 4th of July, Independence Day. Super excited for that. We have some fireworks here in our house, so I'm super excited. And so come and join us if you want to. All right. And remember, today we are doing our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of the 5th to the 9th. So do not trade tomorrow, Sunday, and do not trade on Monday. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in your next video, which is tomorrow, our Forex weekly analysis. And don't forget to share with your other fellow traders, social media, it doesn't matter. And be sure to subscribe, and hasta la vista. Thank you guys. God bless you. God bless your family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. See you later. Bye bye.